This story brought to you by the Bioscience Business Roundtable, coming to West Hartford November 16th.
West Hartford was the unlucky winner in a random drawing conducted on Wednesday, November 10th, to determine voting precincts subject to audit following last week's election. 3 of West Hartford's largest voting districts were randomly selected by Secretary of the State Susan Bysiewicz, and election officials will need to manually count 1,966 ballots, on which 16,470 votes for Town Council and Board of Education were cast. Democratic Registrar Marsha Woolsey tells local online news.tv that the town is often selected for audits each year, but usually only one precinct is chosen. She says it will be an arduous task, but one they are prepared to meet. Former town council candidate Robert Sisk told the Hartford Courant this week that he was opting out of a recount on his 52-vote loss, citing his estimate of a $7,000 cost to the town. Woolsey was unable to estimate the cost of the audit today. The precincts that will be recounted are Solomon Schechter School, Charter Oak School, and West Hartford Town Hall. For Local Online News.tv, I'm Teresa Freeman.
The Connecticut Bioscience Business Roundtable is coming to the University of Hartford on November 16th. Congressman Chris Murphy and Governor Jody Rell will offer remarks, followed by 2 roundtable discussions with policymakers and industry representatives. Over the last 5 years, there have been more than 45 BBR forums across the country. Join the discussion on November 16th by registering at connecticutbbr.org.